You've got the vibe, you've got the aesthetic, you've got the Pinterest perfect color palette, but where are all the customers and clients? If you're tired of creating beautiful content that no one's engaging with, and even more tired of wondering what the hell is missing, this episode is your wake-up call. Let's talk about the real reason your cute brand isn't converting and how to fix it without scrapping everything and starting over. Let me start with a confession. I once spent 3 hours deciding between two shades of beige when I was first designing my brand, warm taupe or oat milk. I wish I were joking, but I love a good aesthetic. Give me clean fonts, strategic spacing, and dreamy photos, and I will literally swoon. But here's the thing. Your aesthetic isn't what makes your brand work. You can have the most polished, professional looking profile on the internet and still be completely invisible to the people you most want to help. I know because I lived that. Before my first $500,000 year, I had a brand that looked amazing. And yet, the only people who were engaging with my content were other business owners and my mom. And that's what we're unpacking today. The 3 biggest reasons your pretty brand isn't profitable and how exactly to fix it. These just aren't tips. They're turning points, real shifts that help me go from being nice to look at online to being in demand with content, offers, and messaging that actually convert. Reason number 1, people don't buy what's beautiful. They buy what's clear. Our brains are wired for clarity, not for cleverness. If someone lands on your page and can't immediately understand what you do, what it's for, or what to do next, they're not sticking around to figure it out. They're bouncing fast. That is what I call the polished but pointless trap. You're impressing people, sure, but you're not inviting them. You're not converting them. Before I changed my messaging, I was constantly getting compliments on my design, but no one was clicking, buying, or reaching out. Then I rewrote my Instagram bio and homepage headline, not redesigned, but rewrote, because it turns out the words matter way more than the layout, and that one changed, it helped me turn traffic into conversions, not just passive followers. So here's your move. Go look at your Instagram bio, your pinned post, your website header, and ask yourself, can a stranger understand what I do? Can they tell who I'm for? Is there a clear next step? If not, don't panic. Don't overthink it. Start by writing one sentence that answers this question. If someone's struggling with insert their problem, how can I help? Keep it simple. The clarity is what makes it magnetic. Reason number 2, generic words make your brand forgettable, even if it's beautiful. Let's be real. If your bio says helping women live their best lives or empowering entrepreneurs to show up confidently, it could belong to 100 other people. I know you mean well, but vague, feel-good language doesn't build trust. It builds noise. Here's the deeper truth. When your words are safe, your brand becomes invisible. The brands people remember are the ones that are specific, are the ones that are bold, are the ones that take a stand. Not professional, not perfect, personal. When I got specific, when I said I help overwhelmed entrepreneurs build a brand that actually converts, I help women entrepreneurs work less and live more, I started hearing, oh my gosh, I feel like you're talking directly to me. This is what I want, because I was. And that changed everything. So here's your move. Pick one part of your brand, a homepage headline, a CTA, your IG bio, and rewrite it using words only you would use. Get vivid, get weird, get real. Instead of supporting growth, say helping creators finally stop ghosting their own brand. Instead of saying confidence coach, say I help sensitive high achievers stop spiraling every time they hit publish. The goal isn't to sound fancy, isn't to sound cute. It's to sound undeniably you. Reason number 3, you're showing the vibe, but hiding the voice. This is where I see so many entrepreneurs get stuck. They think branding is about posting more content, more carousels, more reels, more. But more content isn't the answer. More you is. Your dream customer and clients aren't scrolling for perfection. They're scrolling for resonance, for connection, for truth, for someone who gets them. And your aesthetic might get them to stop, but your voice is what gets them to stay. When I stopped trying to sound like a real business and just started speaking my actual thoughts, energy shifted. My engagement doubled, my DMs filled up, and my conversion rate soared. Not because I suddenly posted more, but because I stopped hiding. So here's your move. Pick one thing you believe that goes against the grain. Something you wish more people in your industry would say out loud. Now go say it. Post it, talk about it, build content around it, not to be edgy, not to be controversial, but to be true, to be you. Because when your voice is clear, your audience can finally find you. Now, let me say this one more time. A pretty brand might get likes, but a clear, specific, story-driven brand gets paid. So if your brand looks good but still isn't converting, this isn't about scrapping everything and starting over. It's about anchoring deeper into your voice, your clarity, your truth, your story. And if you're ready to finally figure out what's working, what's missing, and where to focus first, grab my do-it-yourself brand audit guide. It's totally free, and it will help you finally see your brand the way your audience does. No fluff, no design degree needed, just smart, strategic clarity. You can grab it now at the link below because you don't need another Canva template. You need a brand that makes people say, she gets me, and I need what she's offering. Let's make that your reality. Let's go from pretty to powerful.